One of the problems I see with a lot of the men I work with is that they're experiencing a pendulum swing. So, for instance, you were brought up and your father was abusive and he drank and he did all sorts of bad things. Well, you grow up thinking, I'm going to be the exact opposite of my father. Or, I didn't receive these things when I was a kid growing up. I'm going to give all these things to my kid. Or, my mother did not give me the love I needed. I want a woman who's going to give me all this love. Whenever the pendulum is swinging this way or that way, we're never centered. And what we need to be is centered, grounded, relaxed, so that we're clear about who we are and what we need. We're available for those around. We know when we need to ask for help. All these things come from a place of being centered. A spiritual practice helps center us. A meditative practice helps to center us. Good eating habits help to center us. Good rest. All of these things are important for us to be relaxed, be centered, so that we can have a relationship with all aspects of our life that are healthy.